Welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning. Today I'm gonna show to you how to make gift wrapping. So this is the materials that to be used. So please watch until end. So that was a gift wrap. So I used that scotch tape and the gift that I gift wrapping. So please watch until end. Good morning. I used these two design for wrapping this wallet, ladies and men's wallet. So sometimes I use ribbon if possible, the scotch tape, the scissor that I use. So that was a ribbon. So we're gonna start to wrap. So I use this design first to make pattern, how to make pattern for the ladies wallet. So this is a ladies wallet. So I wrap this by folding left and right. I'm gonna use this scotch tape so that the wrap will not moving, so that it will fix before I fold the other side. So scotch tape. Be patient on how to do this. It is a simple gift wrapping, so you don't need to worry. Even you can do it by yourself. Just make it. You have a creative ideas. That's why I share it to you. I have an idea. It's all about gift wrapping. Even the men know how to make it by creative ideas. So that's why I put a scotch tape. So that one it's help a lot. Not to moving the wrapping. I mean the materials wrapper. So that was the other side at the lower side. So we're gonna wrap it by doing side by side triangle. You see? So that one how to fold it and put a scotch tape so that it will not move. It will not loosen. So I use scotch tape. So please do this in your own way so that it will not move the wrapper. So I'm putting like this. So please understand my English. So because my supporter want me to speak in English, so I try my best, even it's not fluent. So try my best. So I put on scotch tape. Oh, that one you see, it's already finished. So on the other side, so that it will not move it. So that one is a finish in the lower side. So this is the top. So I fold the top. Maybe it is 1/2 inch. So for the design. So just like that. See, you fold it just like accordion. So I use another scrap mat wrapper for the design. So I wrap it. So I make this scrap materials just like an accordion. So I fold it 1/2 inch and then just like a fan. So I'm putting some glue so that it will fix, and then I put it in the top of this gift for the design. So just like that. So I'm gonna put glue to fix, to hold. It was my design. So if you have any design that you have a creative ideas, you're gonna use it. So this is you can do it by yourself. So you create. That's why I share it to you again. This one gift wrapping. So you see, that was my design. Oh. Very simple. Even men will do this. So you don't worry. I always say this, don't worry. I put a ribbon so that it will be nice. So that one, you see, that was a gift wrapping design. So if I can do it, you can do it. Kung kaya ko, kaya mo. Don't forget to like, share, comment, notification bell, and subscribe. Landas sa ating tinata, tuwing nadaan. Merry Christmas. Another gift wrapping. So number 2, we finished number 1 and then the second gift wrapping. So I use another design. These two, I cut these two eh. So I put again the scotch tape so that it will expand. So we gonna make it pattern. So the one that I do, it is triangle, square, and then the triangle. So I cut the less pieces of design so that I use that one triangle, square and triangle pattern. So I fold it in a half and then I measure the wallet, the men's wallet, so that the wallet will be put in here in a proper way. So I use it for my second wrapping for men's wallet. So you can do it properly. So just watch until end. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, notification bell for your updated update, and subscribe. Support my channel. This is for you, the creative ideas. So that one, you see, just like envelope. So it's almost we finished it already. I got one, I finished other one. This is the second time that I make it by demonstrate how to do it. So we don't have a measurement because it depends on what gift you put it in this wrapper. So that for me, that was a men's wallet, so that for wallet only. So it depends on you what gift you put it in here. So it will be bigger, it will expand. So it's already finished. I put the wallet. So this is my second created gift wrap. Thank you. Once again, I'm Nonay Rivera. Thank you for watching.